Previously on Overland Spirit. Check out the video if you haven't seen it yet.
Something's gonna break and it's not gonna be that.
Right, so this is how far we've got with the build in the back seat.
Ik heb wel paniekerig bedoeld.
Je klinkt zo hysterisch, man.
Ik voel al hysterisch.
Dat dan weer arm moet zien.
Het is niet lekker in Spanje. Dat is wel.
Dat is je al gesprek.
Ja, ik voel het. Ik trek al dan komt het goed uit. Dus trek mijn spier op mijn knop.
Let me see where did they spike? Where did they inject your ship? You're gonna survive.
Zeker te...
A lolly for what?
Being...
Injection for hepatitis A and B.
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
Are you gonna survive?
No.
You're busy. I've taken out the back seat of Sylvie and we are going to install more drawer systems with which I'm going to build myself. I decided to use laminated pine as it is a bit of a weight saver. It is quite light. It's not as strong as plywood. We've used some soft closing rails. They are nice and tight when you open them and they close nice and smooth as well. I decided to carpet all the wood so that it looks nice and spiffy. If I remember correctly now, I used about 5 meters of carpeting and I just made it with that. It was 2 meters wide at 5 meters in length. You can see I've also added to the top of the box where the drawers go somewhere to clamp things down. Can it be that this thing is 100% square? I think we should put one in the middle.
You're on the safe side, yes. So you can get there.
I've made a bit of a spice rack, if you can call it that, somewhere where you can put some tall bottles, and that section will be behind the fridge. We've coated everything with just a single coat of stained polyurethane to give it a bit of a water seal, moisture seal, and keep things from warping. If there's any spills on it, it'll keep it nice and dry, easy to clean. I was fortunate enough that my dad Roger was here for a visit, and he was quite keen to help me out. He gave me a helping hand, so that worked out quite nicely.
The bracket.
Yeah.
We will measure first.
Brackets.
This works right.
You don't have to change this.
Impressive, right? I know. I even impressed myself with this one. Check it out. You didn't even see it was there, did you? You didn't even know it was there. It's like a secret compartment. The total weight of this drawer system came to about 23 kilograms more than the back seat. So it's not bad at all. With the carpet, the drawers, everything all together, 23 kgs more than the back seat. Quite surprisingly light. That's empty, obviously. The total cost of this drawer system, the build with everything, the carpeting, the material, the hinges, the slides, everything came to approximately 5,500 Rand, which equates to approximately $380, 530 Australian dollar, and 280 pounds, give or take. In the time since our last video, we also got some decal replaced and also added to the vehicle. We got some stickers printed, we've got some awesome things made. At the time of this recording, we have 4 days until we have to be out of the house, and we are grinding. In our next episode, we have a bit of a surprise. We've teamed up with a very interesting company. They also deal in a very interesting product. You'll have to watch the next video to find out what it's all about. If you liked what you saw in this video, please consider subscribing to Overland Spirit and enjoy some more content like you've just seen. Take care.